Happy New Year guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the chest bass.
Beatbox.
The chest bass is really a very airy and hard whisper sound which sounds really hard on the mic and a really important sound to learn to get the invert bass, the vibration bass or any deep vocal bass variations. Some precautions to be kept in mind before you start to learn any vocal bass variations are: firstly, drink lots of water and keep your throat hydrated when you try to learn the sound. Secondly, if you feel any irritation while trying to learn the sound, don't overstress your vocal cords, take some rest and continue later. And finally, don't overdo the sound if your throat gets sore while learning the sound, cause it may permanently damage your vocal cords and your ability to sing if you are a singer. But let this not stop you from trying to learn the sound, since it's perfectly safe to do the sound by taking all the necessary precautions and giving your throat the time to recover from the damage caused by trying to learn the sound. First, to do the chest bass, you need to take a deep breath in and whisper as hard as you can or sigh as if all the problems in the world are on your head, like and get familiarized with the grumbling sound between your chest and your vocal cords, like and the final step after you get some control over the grumbling sound is to try to sustain that grumbling sound by using the remaining air in your lungs to get the chest bass, like and a simple practice pattern after you get the sound would be and another simple practice pattern would be and another intermediate drum and bass pattern would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with this sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Yes.